What's going on, everyone? Fast Food Toy Reviews here. Today we have Warner Brothers 100th anniversary set of 8 awesome looking toys just released by Burger King here in 2023. Now this is a cool little set. It's got your favorite WB characters mixed with your DC Universe characters. It's an awesome little mashup. Let's get them opened up and have a closer look. First up in the set is Bugs Bunny as Superman, looking fantastic. Superman is an amazing comic book superhero. So you got this solid red plastic cape. It's all basically one solid molded piece and a very simple gimmick down here. And it looks like a little poof of cloud for when Superman or Bugs Bunny takes off. And this is what he does. You ready? It's a little soft spring-loaded gimmick. Ready? We'll do that. And then as soon as you lift it up, and so that's what you do. So you hold it like this, and his arms come down. As soon as you let it go, his arms go up. And you got to kind of help it along there. There we go. And that's it. So there you go. It's Bugs Bunny as Superman. Next up, we have Lola Bunny, looking adorable, and she is Wonder Woman. Yes, that's right, Wonder Woman, one of my favorite DC superheroes. And she comes with her little lasso of truth, and you just plug it right here in her hand. And then a little piece of that sticks out the back, and that's what you do. You spin it. That's the gimmick. You spin her lasso. Looks kind of like a broken steering wheel. And that's it. She just spins her lasso around, and then you got to hope to not push it out like I'm doing. And you kind of hold it in, pinch it, and spin it, and that's it. So that's what she does. So it's just a solid, softer plastic, solid molded mini figurine, looking fantastic, I might add, on this awesome little base. So she stands very well. I like that. And that's it. So there you go. It's Lola Bunny as Wonder Woman. Next up, we have Daffy Duck as Batman. That's right. Daffy Duck as the Caped Crusader Batman, the Dark Knight himself. This is a really nice color. I like this blue. So this is the gimmick. It's very simple. So you just flail out his bat cape right here. You can see it's kind of got two pieces right here, and it's a little pivot right here. So you just kind of flail it out. One goes to this side, one goes to this side. You just kind of line them up, and you kind of get them even so it kind of looks nice. And there you go. Let's see. Can you spin it around, do this? Nope, they're kind of fixed right there. So this one you could do is like make it look like he's kind of flapping through the air. I guess, I don't know. I don't know. He looks nice just like that. And there's nothing else. No other movable bits. Just a solid molded mini figurine. Again, stands very well. I like it a lot. And there you go. Daffy Duck as Batman. Next we have the Tasmanian Devil as Cyborg. And this is really kind of cool. It's kind of fitting actually. Cyborg's kind of awesome and he can do just about anything really. And it's a top, that's right. So you have this little bit right down here. We've seen this gimmick many times in the past. It's very common, but it's still kind of fun. So you got the swirly wind from when a Tasmanian Devil spins around. And so that's what we do. We just use this, we zip it along, get it going, and then we let it go. Ready? Here we go. You can hear it going. And look at that. That's what it does. Let's see how long he goes. Ready? Oh, hang in there. Hang in. I gotcha. There you go. So it's the Tasmanian Devil as Cyborg. Up next is Sylvester the Putty Tat as Joker. That's right. You heard what I said. I said that's the Putty Tat. And so this was actually kind of fun and annoying. So, you know, you get one of these, you can really just keep it in your pocket and then annoy your buddies at any time you wish because it does this. You ready? Now just imagine hanging out with all your pals and your friends, hanging out, going out, doing stuff, and you just whip this out of your pocket and do that for about 35 seconds straight. Every 5 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. This one's awesome. And it's just a little wiggle bit right there, so there's really nothing going on. Just a simple sticker in there. And you can see underneath right there, a little opening to help the sound come out of there. This is a little squeaky toy. I love it. So there you go. It's the Putty Tat as Joker. Up next is Porky Pig, and he plays Robin, and Robin has like a removable suit. It's just a little simple, basic molded costume. You just clasp it right to the front, and that's his disguise. Snap it on, and look at that. Now, Porky Pig is Robin, but on the back side, nothing going on. But on the front side, he's all Robin all day. It's very simple. Let me show you from the side here. Pop that off. Porky Pig. Pop this back on. And it's Robin. And there you go, Porky Pig as Robin. And the next one up is Tweety Bird as Harley Quinn. That's right, look at this. This is really nice. I like the red and the black color. This is really cool. I'm digging this set. I love WB. I love DC Universe. This is just the perfect mashup. I love this. So this is the gimmick. If you look close at the eyes, they're like lenticular, 3D type lenticular moving eyeballs. Let's see. We'll do it from the side. Look at that. So open, close, open, close. That's cool. Let's see. Can you feel it? Yep, you can kind of feel it right there. And that's it. So no other gimmick going on. Just the little 3D lenticular eye movement stuff, which is kind of neat. I like it. And it stands quite well. Of course, I'm just joking. It kind of leans forward. It's very top heavy, the size of that noggin. But it's all right. It's still a cool little toy. So there you go. It's Tweety as Harley Quinn. The last one in the set is the Roadrunner as the Flash. How fitting, right? The Roadrunner, meep, meep, goes 1,000 miles an hour, just like the Flash. So this is like the perfect mashup, I suppose. Very nice. And it looks like the wheels here spin, and that is what it does. That's the gimmick. You spin these wheels along, and he zips right along like that. There you go. We'll bring him back the other way. There you go. He kind of just leans forward and backwards and whatnot. It actually moves pretty quick, and then he spins and stuff. Look at that. You can make him turn and do U-E's and all kinds of cool stuff. This is awesome. So there you go. It's the Roadrunner as the Flash. And there you have it, everyone. Warner Brothers 100th anniversary mashup with DC Universe. Just a wonderful little set of 8 toys released by Burger King here in 2023. This is a wonderful set. I love this. This is great. It's the perfect combination. You got all your favorite WB characters mashed up together with all your favorite DC superheroes. This is just a complete win. I absolutely, totally love this set. It's one of my favorites now. It's definitely my top 10, top 15 for sure. And if you stuck around this long, check it out. Look at this. I grabbed an extra set for one lucky subscriber. Brand new, unopened, extra set. What do you got to do to win it? You know what to do. Leave a comment down below and tell me who your favorite WB or your favorite DC superhero is, or villain. But leave a comment below. Let me know about the favorite characters you like about this set, what have you. And then in a week or two, I'll pick a winner. Some lucky subscriber will win their own complete brand new set. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. We'll see you again next time.